Hey tech lovers, welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. Today, we're diving into the amazing Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're all about the latest in tech and photography, you're in for a treat. Samsung has seriously stepped up their game with the S24 Ultra, combining cutting-edge AI, an incredible camera setup, and sleek design into one awesome package. Let's find out why this might be your next big tech purchase. Camera magic. Let's zoom into what makes the S24 Ultra a photographer's dream. It's got an awesome camera lineup, including a 5x telephoto lens and a 50MP sensor for awesome zoom capabilities. Number 10x periscope lens needed here. And with the 100x space zoom, you can capture the stars like never before. Samsung's colors make every shot look stunning. Smart AI features. Now, onto the smart stuff. The S24 Ultra packs some cool AI features to make your phone smarter. Think automatic translation in calls, message tone tweaking with Chat Assist, and a smart photo editor. Some of these might need a bit of work, but it's clear Samsung is thinking big, stylish and powerful. Let's talk looks and power. The Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't just a powerhouse, it's a beauty too, with a titanium frame and a flat screen that blends durability with awesome display quality. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is a treat for your eyes, and with up to 1 terabyte of storage, you've got all the space you need. Price and competition. So, how does it stack against others? And what's the cost? As a luxury item, it's up there with the big names like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Google Pixel 8 Pro. It's a bit pricey, but Samsung has some deals to help out, like pre-order discounts and trade-ins. Wrapping up, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out with its top-tier camera, innovative AI, and gorgeous design. It's a peek into the future of smartphones. Pumped about the S24 Ultra? Hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news. Have any thoughts or questions about the S24 Ultra? Drop a comment below. We'd love to chat. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tech updates. Catch you in the next video.